Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up on QuickBooks. So first is head over to QuickBooks and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top right corner of your screen, you should see a gear icon, which is the settings icon. So just click on it. Next, click on account and settings. Now in the left panel, switch to advanced and scroll down until you see the backup settings. Click on it and make sure that you toggle on turn on backups. Then once done, just head over and click on save. This feature is useful if you change a transaction by mistake. You can roll back to before you change the transaction. And most importantly, you can roll back unwanted changes to vendors, customers, and even settings. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!